I like to make simple movies and tutorials, and I have a friend who wants to get started as well. I made a couple of videos for him how to make a tutorial with 3D Paint and Snagit, and I also made a video for him, which you can also view on YouTube, how to use Movie Maker to splice and make a video. So as he responded to the second video that I made, in the comments he said this: Dr. Barnes, what's the best way to get the video from the smartphone to the PC for editing and then uploading to YouTube? Also, file naming tips are appreciated. I do use a USB cable with my PC, and once this is plugged in from my phone to my computer, it will usually pop up a screen and I can configure the import to sort by month. I think this is really important. That way in the future, if you want to go back and find a video that you imported, it will be easy to do so. I have an external drive that I use, and I have named a file on that drive all new videos. That way, whenever I import a new video or a picture to my PC, I will know where that is heading. Sometimes I have lost temporarily pictures and movies because they went into pictures or movies on the computer. The computer kind of assigned a direction for these to go. I want to assign where these go so that I will always be able to find them. So I have made a file named all new videos for that purpose. Once I process the videos, then I stash them in another named file on that portable external drive called completed videos. The reason that that's important is that sometimes the imported files are named similar to the post-production videos. So it's kind of important to know which one is ready to be published to YouTube. So stashing them in completed videos is very helpful. I think that working with videos and tutorials is a barrel of fun. I love getting to do it. I am rather low tech, so if you're a high tech guy, this is not going to really apply, or girl, lady, this is not going to apply so much to you. This might be rather boring and mundane. This is for the beginner, which is kind of like what I am. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. This is what creates a community on YouTube.